Hello to everybody. Future Trender is back to you, dear subscribers. Today is 20th of February 2019. We are ready to present you a material providing us by the company FutureTrendResearch. Today we will discuss, as usually, two ruble crosses, among them dollar ruble and euro ruble, and also we'd like to present you the technical analysis of two interesting currency pairs like the Aussie and euro dollar. It seems to us probably the euro dollar. It's really very interesting at the moment. We are seeing at the moment the weakness of the United States currency, and not only against the euro, but as regarding the euro dollar, let's see the technical point of view expressed by FutureTrendResearch. The euro dollar, as you could see, confirmed a strong closing last night, favoring a test of the 21st days line located at 113.64 at the short-term resistance area. And now you actually see that 113.60, 114 area is full of different types of resistances made by the different moving average lines. Only the 200 days one is found much higher at 115.22. Indicators of the daily chart are still below the line for now, but a further strong closing tonight will turn them up, favoring supporting a possible rebound. Indicators of the short-term charts are also positive this morning, with bearish divergences supporting a positive tone, and this should favor an extension of the rally. Only an hourly closing below 113.35 will postpone the move up, favoring a retest of the 200 hours line located at 113.04, and FutureTrendResearch will use such an opportunity to open a long position with a stop below the 200 hours line that located around 112.75. So, as you could see, now FutureTrendResearch suggests to avoid shorts, but instead will try to buy the currency in case of correction towards 200 hours line, located, by the way, once again around 113.04, with a stop below 112.75. Resistance is 113.60, 114.20, and supports 112.75, 112.35. Aussie dollar, which is much stronger this morning comparing to the previous trading session, formed a positive outside day, avoiding the previous day's negative day reversal, relaunching the move up of the Aussie that could be forming a larger reverse shoulder-head-shoulders formation that, if confirmed, will support a larger move up. Don't forget that this night we will see a publication of the important Australian economic numbers in the form of Australian employment rate and employment changes. So for sure that should impact the Aussie dollar as well as some other Aussie crosses. As you could see, as regarding the Aussie dollar, the indicators of the daily chart are again positive this morning, as well as those of the short-term charts supporting further strength. Bearish divergences are still confirming a positive tone, suggesting further strength, with now the 200 days line located at 72.88, presenting the possible attraction for traders. As you could see, FutureTrendResearch prefers to stand aside, wait for a buying opportunity. Resistances and supports, as well as the chart and trend lines presented by FutureTrendResearch, you could find on your screens. And now a few words about the Russian ruble, which is looking much stronger at the moment, and not only against the United States currency, but also against the euro. Euro ruble, for example, confirmed a weak closing, managing, however, to remain above the 74.50 level on a daily closing. While below the 200 hours line located at 75.58, the risk is still on the downside for this cross. Indicators of the daily chart are still below the line for now, while those of the short-term charts are instead still showing a mixed picture, suggesting further consolidation correction. The cross is again below the 200 hours line located at 74.75.4, but is looking like an undershooting and could well be corrected soon. While above 74.50, we favor a new test on the upside, move that will increase the chance that this cross is forming a robust shoulder-head-shoulder formation with the neckline at 75.72. At the moment, Future Trend Research prefers to stand aside on the sideline waiting for stronger signals. 75.13, 75.79 are the resistances at the moment, with supports at 74.47.50 and 74.17. And at last, finally, some words about the dollar ruble. Dollar ruble, as the euro ruble, confirmed a very weak closing last night, approaching the 200 days line today found at 65.568. A possible break also below this line will open the way for a further, more important weakness. Indicators of the daily chart are again below the line since last night, as well as those of the short-term chart supporting further weakness. At the moment, Future Trend Research stays on the sideline waiting for stronger signals. Resistances and supports are on your screens. Follow our updates. Tomorrow we will be back to you. For those of you who are really very interested in the service of the Future Trend Research company, you can find the website of this company in the description of this video. Don't forget that at the moment Future Trend Research could grant you a 1-month free period of using the service of the company. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye for now.